Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy rice with some chicken strips. So let's get cooking. These are the ingredients I will be using today to make our spicy rice. I've got about 50 grams of butter, some sunflower cooking oil, and then I've got some dry spice, I've got some jeera, cardamom, and I've got a cinnamon stick, but that is totally optional. You can basically throw in whatever you feel like and just make it your own. Green pepper, I've got the sweet bell peppers, the 3 different ones, 2 green chilies that I've roughly chopped up, 2 medium onions and some rosemary, but you could choose thyme if you wish. Salt to taste, whole black pepper, aromat, some chili sauce. I'm using Prego today, but you can use Nando's, hot or mild, anything. Then I've just got some other chili sauce that I'm using here, and then I've got 400 grams of chicken fillets that I've sliced up roughly and marinated a few hours ago with Portuguese spice. And this is a cup of jasmine rice, but you could really use whichever rice you want, long grain basmati, normal basmati, or just normal rice. So let's start cooking. So I've got a large skillet that I'm heating up. My flame is on high. I'm just going to be adding in the butter. It's 50 grams of butter. You could use coconut oil or avo oil. So I will list all the ingredients in the description. Just getting all the goodness in there because we know butter makes everything better. Some sunflower cooking oil. This is 100 ml. Just gonna let this melt. So I'm just putting in our whole spices. Basically everything's going to go in now. The green pepper, I've got the jeera, cinnamon stick and cardamom, green pepper, all our sweet bell peppers, then the chili, the onion and the rosemary. So I'm going to give this a good mix. And I'm gonna season this a little bit for now. Just using some black pepper, aromat, and just a little bit of salt, just a pinch at this stage. The salt has already been added to the chicken and the rice, so we can't use too much. So I'm just going to keep stir frying this until the onions is basically cooked, and really you could add whichever veggies you have available. You don't have to put all the peppers in here, it's really up to you. You could add a stir fry mix. So just let this cook and then we're ready to add the chicken. So the peppers and onions has been cooking quite nicely. I wish you could smell the aromas in the kitchen. At this point I'm just going to be adding all this chicken. Just going to keep mixing this. So our chicken is almost done. I'm just going to add some seasoning. Not too much because I've already seasoned the chicken. Just going to be adding some sauce. This is a green chili hot sauce. And this is a red chili hot sauce. Open this. So these are really optional. It's really a personal preference. I'm using this today, but you could add Nando's or any other sauce. Depends on your taste. I'm just going to be adding now, and then at serving we will add more. We'll give this a good mix. It's already created a nice thick sauce. Our chicken is cooked and we're ready to add our rice. So like I said, I'm using jasmine rice today, but you can use rice that you have or what you prefer. So I did cook this rice a few hours ago and I let it to cool, because you don't want to mix into your hot rice and then it will get mushy. You could also use leftover rice. It's a good way to use up any leftover rice if you have. So I'm just mixing everything in nicely. I'm going to add some coriander. And this is cooked. We're ready to serve. Guys, thanks for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe and share. Until our next video. Take care. Bye.